Try to see if we could, or if we can, fix this misfire that we've been having.
She hit! Hit them!
Stop it. Get some help.
What's up, guys? It is your boy Tony B, and we back again with another lit video. And today we are on the 300Z one more again. Yes, sir. And today we're gonna try to see if we could, or if we can, fix this misfire that we've been having. It's a dead mess. If you guys have not seen it, go back and check out my video before.
Giving us the issue of this.
Today is going to be a little short video just because I was trying to end the month out strong. If you guys don't know, I'm an Audi brand specialist. So I sell Audis, sell cars, and you know, you always try to end the month out strong. So that's why I haven't been, making videos like I needed to.
Stop the cap.
But I'm sorry, y'all. I've been starting to work on this thing without y'all. So I'm gonna get y'all up to speed. If you guys don't know, these 300Zs, they have issues with this little baby boy right here. This is called the PTU. This little thing right here, I don't know why it goes bad. And normally it is positioned right there. But pretty much on all the forums, online, YouTube, everybody says relocate it up here and try replacing the PTU. So I did it. So we're gonna see if that helps out that misfire that we have. Not gonna lie, I did have it cranked up a couple days ago. It was running great, but I'm sorry. I don't know why I didn't record it, but I'm giving y'all an update. I'm bringing y'all along. I said I was gonna give y'all everything that I do on this car, so we're gonna continue to do that. Also, I was doing an interior cleaning video, so yeah, that is taking a lot longer than anticipated. So that's another reason why I wasn't really recording anything. But with all that being said, let's crank it up. You know what I'm saying? See if she's any better. I'm not thinking that this is gonna be just a total fix for it, because if you guys don't know, the last owner that I traded this vehicle for my C10, he did change out the coils, but Nissans, they do like to have OEM coils, so it's Amazon coils. Also, he said he did change out the fuel injectors, I believe. Not sure what he went with there. Also, some of the spark plug boots, they are they're messed up. So we're gonna do a little test run, see if this helps out. Then we'll just go from there, y'all. Just go from there. Y'all stay tuned. Please. Don't know what we're gonna do today, but we're gonna do something. Gotta upload a video. Gots to. Got no choice, y'all. Yeah, I don't know what I was gonna say. All right.
Too bad.
Sounds better, but not perfect. Alright, y'all. I know y'all can't see nothing.
Nope.
But I think so far she's been running a lot better. Just with the PTU change. That's not without a, you know, no spark plug, anything. Yeah. No spark plug change, nothing like that, man. Just straight up PTU. Ooh, almost killed it just then. Oh, she hit both. Ooh. Oh man, she moving, boy. I know y'all can't see nothing. I don't know what this high-pitched squealing is. Ooh, I don't know how I got y'all set up. Got nice oil pressure, real nice oil pressure. Let's see what she'll do. Oh, I know y'all can't see a thing. I can't either. I'm hearing some noises from the back end though. I don't know if that's the all-wheel steering. No clue. Oh my. Oh my Lord. She hit. Hit them up.
Cocaine's a drug.
Oh my Lord. I know y'all gonna be like, yeah, you just been driving that Sentra, bro. But man, y'all gotta remember, I drive Audis too, bro. It still feel like it has a little bit of hemi and shake, but it's old, man. That thing got up and went, cuz. Wow. Now we gotta go see what kind of damage did I do. Hopefully not too much. That water temperature is a little higher than I would want it to be. But she sounds like she's still running good. I don't hear that hiccup like I was hiccuping before. Oh my Lord. Let's see what she sound like. Man. She sound like she running smooth, fellas. Wow. I had got an oil, well not an oil filter, but a fuel filter. I'm gonna probably still change that out. and a couple of these ignition coil wires. Oh my God, what the heck? What's going on with these fools? Atlanta, man. Atlanta. Oh. I don't know if y'all see that. I'm starting to see a little bit of smoky smoke. Man. Probably turbos, man. I am not mad at all, boy. I am not mad. Man, to be honest with y'all, shoot, I might have to end this video. Boy. You know what I'm saying? I thought this was gonna be a bad video. Oh my God. Yeah, it is smoking now. A little smoky smoke. As y'all can see, can y'all see that little haze? I don't know if y'all can see it or not. Yeah, but that turbo on this side may be blown. Don't know exactly which one that is, but it's all good, man, because if this is running off of one turbo, oh my gosh, oh my goodness, jeez. Yeah, y'all, I might have to leave y'all where y'all at for now, man. I'm trying to think of another video to make, because I thought we were going to have to do some more work. I might have to rethink some things, y'all. Ooh. But yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get y'all out of video just to get y'all updated, just so y'all don't feel like I didn't left y'all alone. And then I'll have a part 2 of this where I do some other things to try to bring this thing back alive. But thank y'all for watching. Y'all be patient with me, man. 300Z is coming on its way. This thing finna be a lit build, y'all. I promise y'all, we're gonna get this thing looking a lot better, because it looks kind of bad. But now that she's moving, I'm gonna get a lot more enthused about, working on it. Because, that had me a little frightened. But thank you guys for watching. Love y'all, appreciate y'all. Stay tuned. Peace.
You want my advice? Don't play yourself.
And subscribe, fool.